Bonjour, salut, coucou, hello friends. So welcome to French Pro Global, and in today's video we are going to learn how to ask name from someone in French language. So in the previous video we have done how to say your name. Now it's time to ask someone's name, alright. So in order to ask someone names, again you should know the verb that we have done in the previous video, s'appeler. S'appeler means to call oneself, okay. Let me just revise quickly. Je m'appelle, I call myself or my name is. Tu t'appelles, you call yourself and your name is. Il s'appelle, he calls himself and his name is. Elle s'appelle, she calls herself and her name is. Nous nous appelons, our names are or we call ourselves. Vous vous appelez, you call yourself or your name is or your names are. Okay, il s'appelle, they call themselves and their names are. Elle s'appelle, they call themselves and their names are. So these subjects and this conjugation we have done in the previous video. The name of the video is how to say your name. So kindly watch that video. I have given you detailed information about this. Okay. So why I have written this s'appeler verb? Because it is used again to ask someone's name. All right. For example, if you are asking name from your friend or maybe from a person who is junior to you, okay, or maybe a person who has the same age like you, okay, or this must be an informal situation, okay. So there you have to use this comment tu t'appelles, comment tu t'appelles. So the comment is a new word which means how, okay. So comment tu t'appelles, see tu t'appelles I have already written here. Tu t'appelles, just comment I have put before this. It means how do you call yourself or what is your name. So comment means how or what in this context. Comment has different meaning in different context, but in this context comment means how. If I say comment tu t'appelles means how do you call yourself, that is literal translation, but in English the best translation would be what is your name. Suppose if you are asking to your classmate who has recently joined and if you want to ask his or her name, you can simply say comment tu t'appelles, alright. But now come to a formal situation. Suppose a new teacher came to your class, okay, and you don't know what is the name of that teacher. So how will you ask? You cannot use comment tu t'appelles because professor or manager or boss, that is something a formal situation. So there you have to use comment vous vous appelez. Repeat, comment vous vous appelez, which means what is your name, or in Hindi it would be aapka naam kya hai. Alright. But one important element you have to remember, question can be informal and formal, but answer will be same. You can see comment tu t'appelles, informal, what is your name, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, answer is same, je m'appelle Dr. Hindustani. Formal situation, comment vous vous appelez, what is your name, आपका नाम क्या है, answer is same, je m'appelle Dr. Hindustani. I hope this is clear. And if you want to ask name of a third person, alright, so just take this word comment and you put it here. Comment il s'appelle. Suppose if there is a guy standing over there and two people are discussing, alright, and if you want to know the name of that person and that person is a boy, and if you ask what is his name, you just take this word comment and put it here. Comment il s'appelle, it means what is his name. Suppose there is a girl standing over there and you want to ask what is her name, so you just take this word comment and put it here. Comment elle s'appelle, which means what is her name. Alright. So this is how you have to ask someone's name in French language. Okay. I hope you have understood, or if you have any suggestion or if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, and please in the comment section write your name, je m'appelle, and write your name. Alright. So that I will be happy that you are learning from my channel. Okay. So that's all for the day. We will meet soon in the next video. So if you are here for the first time, please subscribe and share and like. Alright. Au revoir.